Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on formatting in-text citations in Chicago author-date style. My name is Sean Herron and I am the Social Sciences Librarian here at Cal Poly Pomona. If you have any questions about Chicago author-date style citation, or citation in general, please feel free to contact me at smharen@cpp.edu. In this tutorial, we're going to cover how in-text citations in Chicago author-date style connect to the bibliographic entries and provide a few examples on how they can be formatted. Hopefully, at the end of this tutorial, you will be able to format your own in-text citations in this style. Unlike regular Chicago-style citation, which uses footnotes, the author-date variation uses in-text citations linked to the bibliographic citation by, wait for it, the author name and publication date. Shocking, right? In order to do this, the bibliographic citations have to be slightly altered in order to get the publication date next to the author's name to ease references. The in-text citations are formed by using the author or authors' last names, followed by the year of publication, comma, then the page number, where the citation was taken from in the original work. Then the whole in-text citation is surrounded by parentheses. As is the case in other in-text citation styles such as APA or MLA, there are a variety of ways to format in-text citations in Chicago author-date style. For example, you could format the citation as you see on the screen. Quote, the study argued that authors should cite their work, unquote, parentheses Herron 2019, comma 35, period, with the citation following the quote and the period after the citation. However, you could also format the citation as follows. Herron, parentheses 2019, argued that, quote, authors should always cite their work, unquote, parentheses 35, period. In both cases, all three elements of the citation are present. In one case, contained entirely within the in-text citation, and in the other, spread out within the statement being cited. Either format is acceptable. Choose what works best with the flow of your paper. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have further questions regarding in-text citation, or citation in general, you can always talk to a librarian. To contact the librarian, send us an email at libraryhelp, one word, @cpp.edu. Thank you for watching.